We talked about the ongoing attack on crypto in the live stream, and as you can see, we are getting a league-wide pullback. It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'm back with another one, and you're probably worrying about like, what the hell is going on with my portfolio, Millie? What's going on? So we got some news that came out today from the DTCC itself, right? An important notice that should affect the entire market and how these companies leverage Bitcoin for loans to actually buy more Bitcoin, like we've been seeing from MicroStrategy. So we'll give an example of how this affects the market and what to look for as far as the future, and if the if we've totally lost the bullish momentum. So if you like videos like this, guys, make sure that you like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. We need 100 likes to push that positivity and awareness out here in the crypto space, and keep your favorite door-to-door entrepreneur, crypto door-to-door entrepreneur, and algorithms. All right, so right now, you can see the CFTC calls crypto a commodity, or Bitcoin a commodity, so you can't use it as currency. So remember this line here, and of course you can pause the video and kind of like read the other lines, right? But we want to keep positive energy here and actually explain what's going on, right? So this was the notice, right? It says effective April 30th, 2024, as part of the annual renewal of the line of credit facility, DTC will implement the following changes to modify collateral value for certain securities. So I did kind of like simplify that for you guys. If you don't know what the DTCC is, the Depository Trust and Clearing Corporation is a key player in the U.S. financial markets, providing clearing and settlement services for security transactions. It essentially acts as a central repository where securities are deposited and managed, facilitating the exchange and clearance of securities to ensure the transactions are completed smooth and efficiently. Recently, the DTCC announced changes affecting the valuation of collateral, specifically for securities tied to Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Starting April 30th, there will be a significant increase in the haircut, I believe 100% to be exact, applied to certain corporate bonds and complete removal of the collateral value for investment vehicles holding cryptocurrencies. These changes could reduce liquidity and increase financial pressure on firms leveraging these type of assets, contributing to a sense of uncertainty or fear, uncertainty and doubt, which is FUD in the cryptocurrency market. So this is an example how this could affect a company like MicroStrategy, who utilizes this, what I would say wormhole to stack Bitcoin, right? You leveraging BTC and their crypto holdings as collateral for loans, right? So let's say MicroStrategy holds a large amount of Bitcoin and wants to use it to secure a loan for additional business investments. Previously, they might have been able to use their Bitcoin holdings as collateral for this loan, potentially obtaining a significant amount of money based on the value of Bitcoin. However, the new DTCC rules that assigns a 100% haircut any investment vehicle holding cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. These holdings are now considered to have zero collateral value. This means that if MicroStrategy tries to get a loan using their Bitcoin as collateral under the new rules, lenders won't consider the Bitcoin as a valid security. As a result, MicroStrategy might find it more challenging to secure the loan, or might have to find other assets to use as collateral, impacting their businesses and strategies, which coincides with the idea that in order to get these loans, MicroStrategy may have to now sell their Bitcoin, right? Liquidate their Bitcoin into actual cash, right? So this is insane, right? It says from a perception standpoint, this change to collateral valuation could impact MicroStrategy in the near term. While they will likely not have to sell their Bitcoin, they will have to reassess their long-term strategy and how they plan on getting those loans, and utilizing other assets, right, as collateral value, right? So you're starting to see the market kind of like price this in. Now it was down a little bit more, but it seems to be trying to bounce back on the hour. But this is just another bit of FUD that's been shaving a little bit of meat off the bone, as I would say, from our crypto portfolio. Not to add here, we did have the Elizabeth Warren write a letter to the DOJ claiming that cryptocurrency is the payment of choice for these type of materials. So I'm not going to actually say this, but you can see exactly what this going on. Maybe if you want to check this out, guys, go read this yourself. You can go check out Watcher Guru and kind of like find out what she said about what cryptocurrency is used for. Again, saying crypto is being used for these type of activities, right? Well, at the end of the day, it's easy for you to for people to find out what's the bad actors may be using crypto for, right? Because everything is on the blockchain, right? But so much bad things happen with cash that they tend to, turn, okay, I don't want to get too much into this, but you see this, what they're saying, crypto. It's an ugly game right here. But no one talks about how U.S. regulators had to seize trouble lender Republic First Sale. This bank here just failed, right? This bank here just went to, it just had to be seized. It just went to absolutely a zero. Another bank has collapsed, and many are saying that a Fed cut, right? A Fed cut could be needed because the economy is starting to capitulate. Yeah, the economy is starting to capitulate, right? The GDP, right, went is getting crushed. Which means that we should probably cut rates, but the inflation is still rising, which means we should still either continue to pause rates or raise rates. So we're just in a cluster F, right? And I don't know how May and June may end up. Now, the bull hopium here is that we could continue to hold the bull market band, right? We could continue to hold the bull market band. Historically, after the halving, every time we were above the bull market band, we was able to hold it. Now, there was times around the halving that we did come back and touch the bull market band as support, right? Maybe to shake out the last bit of baby hands on the way to the parabolic stage. You can see that we're not yet riding the bull market band for BTC, but altcoins are definitely like right here on the bull market band. So let me zoom it in for you guys. You can actually see this is the bull market band. So we're right there. And historically, after each halving, if we go back in history and kind of like back test history, you can see that we rode the bull market band all the way up into altcoin season. In previous cycles, there were times where we did come in touch or maybe wick inside the bull market band but for the most part of the bullish market, or should we say the bull run, we were able to hold the bull market band. So guys, will this be different? Who knows? But technically we are still bullish as long as we can stay above this bull market band. I also want to give a shout out to my boy FOMO Factory, because he put up some pretty good charts, and I wanted to dissect some of the information that he was putting out there. And I don't really use the bull market band that much. I usually use the Gaussian channel, but I definitely want to start putting out some information utilizing the bull market band, because it's a great indicator. It is a very good indicator, and you can just swing over to the indicators, and it's free, and gives you an idea of the history of the market. So let me know what you think, man. We do have that hopium. We're still above the bull market band for the other chart. This is the other chart. So this is the altcoin chart, and also the Bitcoin chart. We're still above the bull market band. So technically speaking, we still are bullish. In other news, what the best place right now, the best project right now to be holding on Crypto.com seems to be Crow with a Knife. Crow with a Knife up 243%. So salute to any of my Crow family that was able to take advantage of this beautiful move to the upside, as they, the call community have got listed here on Crypto.com. So very bullish for them. Again, I'm not into buying green candles. I said that on the stream earlier, but this thing just kept pumping. So I was wrong, and when I'm wrong, hey, I come out and say, hey, I was wrong. But it is an overbought levels, guys. So just be a little safe if you plan on like hopping into this, and understand if you do hop into this, it could retrace 30 to 50% at any time, right? So you always want to keep that in mind. So let me know what you think about the market, current sentiment, the attack on crypto. Are you selling your crypto here? Are you loading up on more crypto? Are you just holding, sitting on the sidelines, waiting for the FUD to pretty much pass over? Let me know, guys. I'd love to know everybody's opinion in the comments. It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'll see you the next one.